Are you struggling to use an IPTV M3U playlist on your device? Or maybe you downloaded one but have no idea what to do next? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use an IPTV M3U playlist step by step. Welcome back to Tech Vibes, your go-to channel for simple and practical tech guides. Today, we're breaking down IPTV M3U playlists in the easiest way possible so even beginners can follow along. First, let's quickly understand what an M3U playlist is. It's basically a file or a link that contains a list of TV channels you can stream using an IPTV player. Now let's get started. Step 1 is to get a working M3U playlist. You can either get it from a provider or use free ones available online. Just make sure it is active and updated. And remember, check the description for all working links. Also, please check all links and use the ones that are currently working. Step 2 is to install an IPTV player. This is very important because you cannot open an M3U file without a player. Some popular ones include VLC Media Player, IPTV Smarters, and TVMate. These apps are available on Android, Windows, smart TVs, and even iOS. Once you install the player, open it. Step 3 is to add your M3U playlist. In most apps, you will see an option like Add Playlist or Load M3U URL. If you have a link, paste it there. If you downloaded a file, choose the file option and upload it. After that, the app will start loading channels. This might take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Step 4 is to start watching. Once the playlist is loaded, you will see categories like sports, movies, or news. Just click on any channel and enjoy. Now let me give you some useful tips. Always use a stable internet connection. IPTV streaming needs good speed to avoid buffering. At least 10 Mbps is recommended. If channels are not loading, your playlist might be expired. Try refreshing it or using a new one. Use a VPN if content is restricted in your region. This helps you access more channels safely. Also, avoid adding too many playlists at once. It can slow down your app or cause crashes. And here's a pro tip. Some IPTV apps support EPG, which is like a TV guide. If your playlist supports it, enable it for a better experience. One common mistake people make is using outdated or broken links. That's why I always recommend checking updated sources. Again, check the description for all working links, and please check all links and use the ones that are currently working. That's it. You now know how to use an IPTV M3U playlist like a pro. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to Tech Vibes, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or need help setting things up. I'll see you in the next video.